Balik lagi dong. Memang ini baru out of the box ya. Di luar kotak saudara-saudara pemikirannya ini. Dia fly. Welcome back with me Renaldi Gilbert. Bagaimana kabar kalian my gengs, my boys? Semoga kalian baik-baik saja. Jangan lupa untuk selalu stay safe. Everybody sing a song of duda-duda. Karena di video kali ini my gengs, my boy, kita akan melihat ini editing yang sangat balalalala. Oh ya saudara-saudara ya. Karena selama ini kita kan melihat video editor berkelas yang ada di Indonesia, yang ada di India. Kali ini memang editor daripada yang deril ya, yang ada di dunia barat ya saudara-saudara ya. Kali ini kita akan melihat ini account Instagramnya Zagging ya. Kita akan melihat bagaimana dia membuat video-video dan cara mengeditnya ini. Kata mereka ini sangat hoy. Dan tidak perlu berlama-lama my gengs, my boy. Langsung saja kita jump into it.
Activate theater mode.
Hi, welcome.
Hey, can we get 2 popcorns and some candy?
Sure.
Langsung
Cool is this? And how do we get to theater 7?
You just go up a few channels.
Okay.
lihat.
Oh, theater 7. Welcome to the movies.
This is so cool.
Where do you want to sit? Back here?
Bukan main
I'll trade you for some candy.
out of the box gitu.
All right, watch this. Activate theater mode.
Hi, welcome.
Balik lagi
Hey,
dong.
we get 2
Memang
popcorns
ini baru out of the box ya. Di luar kotak saudara-saudara pemikirannya ini. Out of the box. Ini baru editing berkelas.
Watch closely because this is pretty wild.
Oke. Alright.
Yo, Zach, it worked.
Did it work?
It worked, dude.
Nice, that's awesome. The power of mirrors.
Oh,
All right,
itu
watch
cermin.
closely because this is pretty wild.
Yo, Zach, it worked.
Did it work?
It worked, dude.
Nice, that's awesome. The power of mirrors. All right, watch.
Ini cermin, bukan main. Lihatlah saudara-saudara kan, sangat out of the box ya, di luar kotak,
Check this out.
Oke. Oh.
Check this out.
Di mana dia? Oh, ini di lantai mungkin. Oh iya, di lantai. Tapi tekniknya sangat bagus, saudara-saudara.
Is that Zagging? Wait, what is he doing? What?
Oh my God, he's flying!
How's that possible?
Shut.
Is he okay? What just happened? Is that Zagging? Wait, what is he doing?
Otak. Bagaimana dia bisa membuat tubuh dia terbang dengan sangat ringan seperti itu?
What? Oh my God, he's flying! How's that even possible?
Dia fly memang. Ini baru editor berkelas-kelas dunia.
What do you think of my costume?
Whoa, that is
Oh.
so cool! You're Marty McFly.
Yeah, right.
How are you doing that?
Well, I got this
Bagaimana
contraption
Wait,
bisa?
is that my one wheel?
Huh?
Zach, I told you not to ride that on the road!
Where I'm going, I don't need roads!
Hah?
What do you think of my costume?
Whoa, that is so cool! You're Marty McFly.
Yeah,
Coba
right.
kita lihat lagi.
How are you doing that?
Well, I got this contraption here.
Wait, is that my one wheel? Zach, I told you not to ride that on the road!
Where I'm going, I don't need roads!
What do you think of my costume?
Whoa,
Hebat.
Okay, does anybody else's bathtub actually do this?
All right, check this out.
Perfect cut. Oh,
Isn't that odd?
kalau yang ini masih gampang untuk kita tiru, gampang. Ya, perfect cut tadi ya, saudara-saudara ya, sangat bagus penempatan cutnya apa segala macam, enak ya, masih bisa saya lihat, masih bisa diikuti ya. Kalau tadi itu tidak bisa diikuti, itu terlalu susah, itu bagaimana caranya kita itu mengikuti dia ya.
Hey, sorry to interrupt your playback experience. Let me take a look at what's going on.
Hah?
Pardon the mainframe again. You mind liking the video for me? Yeah, that should work. Enjoy. Just letting the cat out of the bag.
Speechless. Ya, saudara-saudara ya. Otak dia bisa berpikir sampai ke situ, otak saya berpikir hanya 5 cm dari mata otak saya ya, berpikir tidak bisa berpikir sejauh itu.
Oh, it's finally here.
Apa?
Do you need help carrying this in?
No, I'm good, thank you. Just need to reach.
Oh, ini yang mahal.
Star Wars game is here.
Huh? Hey, can you move the couch? Gotta make some room. Okay, right about there.
Oke.
That thing is huge. Yes.
Okay.
Let's fire this thing up. All right, let's punch it.
Pesawat luar angkasa.
Okay, so I made a few mods. Check this out. This one gets you holographic soda, and then this
Huh?
button, this is cool, gets you cheese balls. A cheese ball launcher. Oh no! How do you turn it off? What button is it? Wait, ejection. Hey, Zoe, help me out! Oh, it's finally here.
Kenapa ya dia bisa dapat konsep video seperti itu? Kenapa? Dia pakai otak apa? Otak singa, otak udang, otak kera, otak gajah. Semua otak dia pakai menjadi satu ini sehingga menghasilkan video seperti ini.
Nobody has coins anymore.
Hah?
Nobody has coins anymore.
Simple tapi lucu. Tapi saya tidak tertawa karena saya mind blowing ya dengan video-videonya.
So we made this half of the room colorful, and this half of the room black and white. And when you place a mirror in the center of the room, you get this cool filter effect. Take a look at that. That's
Oh,
awesome. Wait,
filter effect.
no. So we made this half of the room colorful, and this half of the room black and white.
Kenapa
And when you place a mirror
bisa?
in the center of the room, you get this cool filter effect. Take a look at that. That's awesome. Wait, no. So we made this half.
Bagaimana bisa? How?
Oh, we should get a photo.
Oh, that'd be cute. Hey, can we get a photo?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
All right, here we go. And looks like you guys are in the wrong spot.
Oh, okay, we'll switch.
Hah?
Wait, babe, why am I in this?
Kok jadi kenyataan?
Oh, we should get a photo.
Oh, that'd be cute.
Lagi?
Hey, can we get a photo?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
All right, here we go. And looks like you guys are in the wrong spot.
Oh, okay, we'll switch. Wait, babe, why am I in this?
Sangat smooth sekali perpindahannya, saudara-saudara. Bukan main, jadi kenyataan. Selalu mind blowing ya, dia ini memang luar biasa.
So here's a little story. Growing up, I had 3 younger sisters, and we would watch Mulan together all the time. They were the biggest fans, and every year they would
Dia
fight over who got
kayaknya-
to wear the costume that Halloween.
Kayak ada
20 years
turunan-turunan
later,
Asia dia
I
ini.
thought it'd be fun to surprise them with a backyard movie premiere for the new live-action Mulan. So I rolled out the red carpet, got the popcorn ready, and then I went in my car to go pick them up. But surprise, surprise, it actually turned into a little limo. How handy is that? When I got there, they were a little confused. They were definitely surprised, but they had no idea what was going on. And I led them around the backyard, and when they opened their eyes, that's when I showed them the backyard premiere. No movie's
Okay.
complete without candy. I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty proud of myself. Even had a little fireworks show. It was a really special evening, and kind of cool that 20 years later, we're still getting to enjoy Mulan together. So here's a little
Memang surprise Saya sampai tidak bisa mendeskripsikan video yang ada di dalam tadi ya saudara. Jadi dia tadi mengasih surprise kepada adiknya ya. Dan tadi seperti tadi yang dia buat ya, dia buat ala-ala primer ya memang. Sangat amazing sekali ya.
Anybody sitting right here?
Oh, Jason Derulo. Oh, oke.
Whoa! What?
Oh.
What in the...
Oh.
Let me try.
Okay.
Pasti jatuh ini.
Oh, man!
Anybody sitting right here?
Bagaimana dia buat seperti itu?
Whoa! What? What in the... Let me try.
Oh, mahal sih. Memang amazing, sangat hebat Anda Zaging.
Hey, Zach, how's it going?
Meeting
Hey,
soon.
David, good to see you.
Yeah, what's going on?
I wanted to get your feedback on a trick. Is that cool?
Of course.
Okay, so I would show the audience an iPad and hit X-ray mode, and that allows you to
Is that a
scan.
frog?
Yeah, you see it?
Yeah.
Ah, ada kodok dong.
That's really good, but you know I did that on one of my shows, Zach. I think
That's right.
No, but you should try to do something that's scary because it's through the internet.
Okay.
You know, for example, I would show
Okay.
Oh, what is that? Oh, that's nasty. David, gross. Is that a spider? Tarantula?
Clyde.
Oh, hi, Clyde. Oh.
Ada
Do you think I need
spider.
to up the
Ada
fear
spider
factor?
di
Yeah, I was
mulut
thinking
dia.
something like that.
Okay,
Bukan
well, what if I
main.
take this little
Okay.
guy and put him up here?
Oke.
Whoa.
Jadi besar dong saudara-saudara. Mind blowing.
Like, I could do something even bigger than that.
Oh yeah. Wow. I've never seen you do that before. That's
Dia jadi
crazy.
bola-bola besar loh.
But I still meant like something more
Bagaimana mungkin? How?
shocking. For example, if you rub your hand like this,
Okay.
you see you can just make like
Oh,
a fire.
fire.
You know?
Oh, that's neat.
And then
Whoa. Whoa, David, you're burning down the UI. Hold on.
Oh.
Oh, here's the fire extinguisher. Oh, hey, you got it. And cut. I got on that one.
Ternyata mereka berdua satu ruangan, saudara-saudara. Memang amazing, saudara-saudara. Ya, mungkin begitu coba guys, bawa kita video ya. Nantikan video berikutnya ya tentang Zeking ini ya. Videonya masih banyak, kalau saya mau react ini masih banyak video-videonya ini. Dan mungkin begitu coba guys, bawa kita video untuk hari ini. Jangan lupa untuk selalu stay safe. Everybody sing a song of Aduda Aduda. See you in the next video. Dadah.